Alright guys, hi mi amors, welcome back to another video, and I'm quite excited about this video today. This is going to be my Valentine's date night makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. So you know the drift, I've already started by adding on my primer, and the primer of choice is the Forever 21 primer. I used it the last time and I really loved how it held my makeup together, so I guess you can call this an update and on what I thought about that. And I'm also going to be using my elf hydrating primer as well, because I want this look to just glow up. Come on, it's Valentine's Day. I want to be glowing, I want to be sexy, I want to be vibrant. So after I applied all that, prepped my face and got it ready, I'm going to be doing this step that I've fallen in love with, adding powder before I add my foundation. And I am using the elf HD illuminating powder for that. I've been loving this step, guys. I definitely do believe it helps to hold my foundation or my makeup a lot longer. I'm gonna also top that with my Milani powder, and that is in the shade Warm. Going in with my foundation at this point, and I'm using my favorite drugstore foundation, guys. That is the Revlon 24-hour color stay foundation. I'm in the shade Caramel 400. And if you're not new here, then you already know how I feel about this foundation. Revlon, you need to sponsor your girl. I'm now using the Wet and Wild Correcting Wheel palette, and I'm prepping my eyes. I'm not sure what I was going in for at this point. You know, I like to wing it with my eyeshadow look. I just know that I wanted something fun and something cool and something sexy, and that's the vibe today. I used my Morphe palette and I went in with the shade that I'm now applying. As you can see, I kept going in and out of the palette, adding more and more to get the desired look that I was going for. As soon as I was satisfied with that, I went in with another shade from the Morphe palette. I just wanted to fuse that in a little bit. Now for the sexy part of this eye look, I decided to go in with some glitter, and I tried to be creative by combining the red and pink glitter together to get the look that you guys are about to see. I wasn't sure if I would do good at this. I wanted to make a little glitter wing, so I had to use my gel eyeliner to create a wing so that I could use it as a guide. I'm not sure how I did. You guys can tell me in the comment section. This is the first I've ever done I look like this. I think I did pretty good for my first time. And guys, while you're watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't yet done so. If you're new here and you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a video. I post videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays. So at this point, I wasn't sure if I wanted to add the black, but I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to take the risk, and I'm going to add black. And don't forget to show lots of love on Valentine's Day, guys. Valentine's Day is not just about your partner. It's also about your family. It's also about your friends. Give, share, care. That's what it's all about. Call somebody you haven't called in a long time, ask them how they're doing. If you can give to someone in need, do that. Valentine's Day is about loving everyone and sharing and giving and caring. And to all that is happening in the world right now, we definitely need to be showing each other lots of love. After I'm done with that, I'm just going into the highlighting and contouring portion of this video, and I've done tons of video with that, so you guys already know what that process is like. So I'm just gonna quickly run through these steps. I also want to hear from you guys. Tell me what you guys think about Valentine's Day. Tell me if you have plans for Valentine's Day. What are some of your plans? What do you plan on doing for Valentine's Day? Do you even have a Valentine? Do you even care? I don't care. I want to hear you guys' thoughts on it. Let me know. I know some people don't believe in Valentine's. They don't even care. Okay, so at this point, I'm setting my face. I've done my highlight, I've done my contour, and I'm just setting that down with my Milani powder. And it must be Valentine's Day because I'm doing something that you guys don't really see me do in my makeup videos. I'm adding some blush to my cheeks. Come on, guys, it's Valentine's Day. I want them cheeks to be rosy and nice, you know, just in case a guy's feeding me some compliments, I can hide my blush behind the blush. You get it? And of course, my favorite part of doing makeup, adding the highlight. The highlight of my video is adding highlight to my face always. I don't know, it's just something about adding that glow to my cheeks, seeing my face shine, you know, just seeing my face illuminate. I don't know, there's something about it that I enjoy seeing on camera. And I'm now gonna set all of that with my Forever 21 setting spray, which I do find to be another great product. Who knew Forever 21 had such good quality makeup products? As usual, adding my lashes off camera, and I wanted to really add some fun to this eye look, so I went ahead and used my red lip liner and actually added it to my under eyes. At this point, I'm kind of just fading it out a bit under the eyes, and I really loved how this eye look turned out, guys. Going in with my mascara, I'm using the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara, just using it under my bottom lashes to make the lashes more voluminous and of course to cute the look up a bit. Going in also with my Milani lip gloss. Well, that's not a lip gloss, I think it's a lip cream. I'm not sure the name of it, but you guys can check the description box below. I'm actually doing a lip combo, so I added the Milani lip cream and I also added the lime crime from ColourPop, and also right in the middle I added this lip gloss, this holographic lip gloss from LA Colors. Yeah, this is a crazy lip combo, but I do like it. Setting all of that again with some setting spray, guys. This is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave your suggestions for any other videos you'd like to see me do. I love you, mi amores. See you guys in my next video, and hope you all have a happy Valentine's Day when it comes.
'cause I can't get you off my mind. I just want you here in my life. Your loving I can't deny. Nothing if my one show you little love. We can keep it a secret, nobody got to know of me. Plus you equal exposure. So let me be your lady and I'll show you I'm the one. Give me the permission to serve you up some real satisfaction.